Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple box there is some mystery math and your challenge is to figure out what that is. You can try this out, use the link in the description, put in as many numbers as you like, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. Alright, let's begin. I'm going to put in a 0. Oh, that gives us 25. Okay, let's try a 1. 62, so that seems to be getting bigger and bigger. Let's try something pretty far out there. Let's put in an 8. Wow, 1,329. So something is going up really fast over on the right side of the graph. So let's move to the left. Let's try -1. Okay, now we're on the graph. There's 6. How about -2? Now we're at -1. Okay, how about a -3? Oh, okay, so this looks like a curve for sure. How about -4? Ah, okay, so that is -3. How about -5? Yeah. So I think what I'm seeing here from those points that have been plotted there is a pretty classic shape of a cubic function. It kind of flattens out in the middle. If we looked at some points right in here, I think the center of our graph is right there at -3. If we looked at points really close to -3, they'd be even flatter. And then it shoots up on the right and down on the left. So that's just a regular cubic, but it has been moved around. So the base function y equals x cubed would have its center right here, and I think our center is here. So it looks like we've been moved in a negative direction here 3, and then we've been moved down from the x-axis down 2. So what does that mean for our function? Well, let's see. So we're going to have our basic cube thing. So I'm going to put that in parentheses. I don't think we've got a multiplier here. It looks like the dots that are 1 to the left and right of the center are just 1 away from that as well. So it looks like there's no multiplier. To get 3 to the left, we actually have to add the opposite sign here inside the parentheses. So this will give us 3 to the left, and then the 2 down just comes outside the parentheses, and you keep that same sign down as negative. So I think that's the equation. Let's see if it matches with the data that we've got here. So for example, well, if I put in a 0, I'd have 3 cubed, that'd be 27 minus 2, that'd be 25. That works. If I put in a -1, -1 plus 2, so -1 plus 3 cubed minus 2. So that's a plus 2 cubed is 8 minus 2 is 6, and that's what we're getting there. Maybe we can just predict one more point. So what if we put in a -6? So -6 plus 3 cubed minus 2. Well, that would be -6 plus 3 is a -3. And if you cube that, you're going to get -27 minus 2. So it should be -29 if we put in -6. So let's try that. And there it is, -29. So I think we've got this. Let's go ahead and reveal it. Yeah, there it is. So x plus 3 cubed minus 2, and we can graph that as well. So that classic cubic shape flattening out there around the center, and just that plus 3 inside the parentheses moves it to the left 3, and that minus 2 outside the parentheses moves it down. Well, how'd that go for you? Did you think cubic? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.